Goldie's got the keys in hand. Zach's got loans you understand. Dreams take flight, we've got a plan. Transactions on tap. Goldie.
Well, what's the purpose of it?
Well, to determine the market value, and really the only reason that appraisals are ordered in banking situations is for risk.
Right.
The lender wants to determine what kind of collateral do we have here.
Yeah.
They're looking at the risk, meaning your financials and your credit, but they're also looking at this collateral and saying, okay, if they're buying a $400,000 house, but the appraiser says it's worth $350,000, we're upside down $50,000, right?
No bueno.
So just same way
No bueno.
if you went to get a car,
Yeah.
buy
Right.
a car, and the bank's looking at that and saying, we want to make sure that if something happens here, you're not upside down on your car loan.
Yeah.
So with the home loan, almost the main reason the appraisal's ordered is for risk.
Yeah.
To see what kind of risk we have, meaning the lender. I think it's 20% of cases now, maybe you get appraisal waivers.
Yeah.
If you're putting a lot of money down and you
Right.
don't want to get an appraisal, and your realtor's done a great CMA, a great BPO on the property, and you feel very comfortable and you trust that agent, you may not need an appraisal.
Yeah.
You know? And so why pay for that? So you don't have to. You get the option from the bank, okay, you get an appraisal waiver. You don't have to get one done.
Yep.
Because there's less risk. They're
Right.
putting less money down. But to your point, Zach, we're talking about, market value would be, the definition would include that both buyer and seller are knowledgeable and under no duress.
Yeah.
And the highest improbable price that home's going to sell for. Well, sometimes it's a non-arm's length transaction. So
Yeah.
like I'm doing one right now that's a son buying the house from the father.
Yeah.
So if he's buying it for $300,000 and it's really worth $400,000, that's what we appraise it for.
Yeah.
We appraise
Right.
it for market value, not what somebody's paying.
Yeah.
Right.
We get the question all the time, well, my contract is $375 and the appraisal came back at $375. That means the market just worked it. The market
Right.
works itself out
Yeah.
pretty
Right.
well. It's when we see something that's an anomaly, it could be, or we see an issue, it could be that we measure the house, and this happened to me last week, and I get 2,200 square feet, and it's been advertised as 2,500 square feet. So then as the buyer, you're thinking, well, I made my decision to buy this home based on it being this big, based on
Right.
this much per square foot,
Yep.
and now it's less, and I'm getting less.
Yep.
Right.
And the bank would want to know that too, and that's who the client would be in that case.
Yeah.
Transactions on tap.